I just watch my colleague waste 4 hours on something I do in minutes. Seriously, if you're still copying and pasting between ChatGPT and Google Sheets, you're doing it the hard way. Click the link in the description to get the SheetMagic Lifetime Deal before it's gone. What if you could bring the full power of ChatGPT directly into your spreadsheets? SheetMagic is a Google Sheets add-on that lets you generate AI content, scrape web data, and automate workflows, all without leaving your spreadsheet. Need to create product descriptions for your entire catalog? Done. Want to analyze competitor websites without coding skills? Easy. How about pulling live data from the web directly into your reports? SheetMagic handles it all. The best part? No more copying and pasting between tabs or applications. Everything happens right inside Google Sheets with simple commands anyone can use. Our users are saving hours every week. One customer said, SheetMagic isn't just a tool, it's a miracle worker. With a 4.7 out of 5 star rating from over 260 reviews, people clearly love what it does for their productivity. Right now, SheetMagic is available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. That means you pay once and own it forever. No monthly subscriptions. Don't be like my colleague, still doing things the hard way. Click the link in the description to get your SheetMagic Lifetime Deal with a special discount today. Your spreadsheets and your sanity will thank you.